Are you looking for the best tablet stands? In this video we will look at some of the best tablet stands on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lamicall Desktop Stand. With a sleek and stylish design, the Lamicall Desktop Stand is a sturdy, high-quality option. This model is made of stainless steel and has a fixed height of less than 5 inches tall. Its hinged cradle allows for different viewing angles and stays in place but is still easy enough to adjust to a new angle. Rubberized points on the cradle protect your tablet, while a cutout on the back allows you to tuck charging cables away. The overall footprint of this model is small, taking up very little space on your desk or counter. It worked well as an auxiliary screen at our desk and a quick swipe recipe reference in our kitchen. We had very few gripes about this stand. However, we should note that because the cradle raises the tablet about an inch off the table, it is not conducive to typing on the tablet for extended periods. It is typically more ergonomic to rest your wrists on a surface while typing. Still, we love the Lamicall for its simple, high-quality design at an affordable price. Number 2. MoKo Foldable Desktop. The MoKo Foldable Desktop Stand leads the pack for the smallest, most compact stand design. This model is made with very thin plastic pieces that fold up flat, and it is small enough to fit into a pocket or slip easily into a bag. This stand is a great choice to throw in your carry-on for movie watching on a plane. It has divots that the backrest can easily secure into for 6 different angle adjustments, and the stand was surprisingly stable enough to do lengths of typing on a tablet screen without much movement. Because it is so small and made of thin plastic, it did not feel suitable for an 11-inch tablet in portrait mode and would probably not be the best choice for a larger tablet. There is a noticeable wobble when you press hard on the tablet screen in portrait mode. Many tablet holders are also compatible with smartphones, but the phone can look strange on a big stand. The MoKo Foldable Desktop Stand is made for both phones and tablets. It is versatile, and our testers think it is a great option for those who want something to travel with or to tuck easily away. Number 3. Tablift by Nbryte. If you want a tablet stand that makes an excellent workstation out of your iPad and can sit comfortably on your bed for binging your favorite TV shows, look no further than the Tablift by Nbryte. With its large, fold-out gooseneck legs and bulky plastic tablet holder, our testers initially found its design to be unconventional. Our skepticism faded when we discovered how the sturdy gooseneck legs are fully flexible and can contour around your body while you lie in bed, creating a stable viewing experience. They also prop your tablet up to an eye-level height, which makes for a great workstation. With the addition of a wireless keyboard, you can easily have a desktop-like setup. There are only 4 viewing angle options, where you put the tablet in different grooves in the holder and secure it in place with a convenient bungee strap. Number 4. Stump Stand. If you seek a no-frills, easy-to-use stand, the Stump Stand takes away the headache of angle adjustments and moving parts. This model is made entirely of silicone with a weighted base. There are 2 grooves in which to place your tablet, an upright option and a lean option. One more angle option, ramp, where you lean your tablet on the stand's angled base, provides a moderately steady typing stand orientation. It's the simplest construction we encountered. This tablet stand is a basic stump, which is not the most eye-catching design but is certainly functional. Due to its silicone construction, it is easy to clean if used in the kitchen and is the most grab-and-go type stand we could find, with no fear of dropping or breaking. Its relatively small grooves will not accommodate tablets with cases on, and it isn't the most stable when holding a tablet in portrait mode. The price tag also seems a bit steep for what is essentially a heavy piece of rubber, but it's a solid option for the most effortless and straightforward stand on the market.